My name is Marites Jose. I am 39 years old. I live in Ilocos Province of the Philippines. I am married and I have 3 children. I go 1 year in college under midwifery course. I have 5 years experience in United Arab Emirates as a domestic helper. I serve 6 members of the family. My duties are taking care of the kids, send and pick up from the school, and tutor them and do the activities sometimes. We are 2 helpers, so we share the household work. I didn't cook because they have chef cook. But I know also how to cook Arabic food like chicken kabsa and makhluba. And I have experience in Hong Kong. I serve 5 members of the family. My duties are do the household work like dusting, vacuuming, mopping, washing and ironing, cooking, and marketing. I assist the kids send and pick up from the school, send to their different activities like swimming, Mandarin, and math tutor, play with the kids, and read the books before bedtime. Lastly experience, I work in Kuwait. I serve 5 members of the family. I focus to take care of the twins baby which are 4 months old. I bath them and giving formula milk till they eat solid food. To my future employer, if you choose me, I promise to finish my contract, and if you like to renew me, I continue to work as long as you need me. I am hardworking person, trustworthy, honest, kind, and polite. Can follow your rules and instruction. Thank you.